wanted to get some work done on the awning. It just didn't really match with what the home was like, and so we wanted something different.
We had a little what appeared to be water damage in our roof inside, which in fact on the outside, after Sergio and his team came out to check it out.
We've got a tile roof that has been leaking for several years, where water was coming in through our shower.
Noticed there was a lump in the roof, and I wanted to get that checked out.
I live in Olathe, and I just recently got a new roof from True Grit Roofing.
And I called True Grit Roofing to come out and fix my roof.
Insurance inspector came out, said I qualified for a roof replacement.
So I contacted Sergio and told him it was a small job, and he told me there are really no small jobs if you need it. And so we went from there on that.
They came out, we showed him some pictures, and he said, yeah, I think we can do that.
I had a lot of serious selection criteria when I chose them. I looked online and saw a lot of reviews from people that I trusted, and I knew that I could ensure that I was going to get a good roof and a good deal out of it.
Our neighbors had hired True Grit to fix their roof, and they were very satisfied. So I contacted True Grit. They gave us a bid. It was very, very reasonable. So they've been working here for a week.
Well, I'd seen you around several different places, plus you'd done a job for two of my sons, and they were satisfied. And I thought, well, just keep on using True Grit.
Sergio spent nearly an hour here. Not only did he get up on the roof and take numerous amount of photos so that I could see what he was looking at, he also came inside, got in the attic, and looked underneath of the roof to make sure that he was well aware of what was going on with the roof.
Through the process, he was very communicative. They showed up on time, and the job was done within the schedule that he provided, and all at the price that he said that it would be done at.
Sergio especially was very helpful. Any questions I had, he was really quick to answer.
Very professional, educated myself on what the process was and what I felt was the best value for what we needed done.
A big thing for me is accountability and being punctual and delivering what you promised for the price that we agreed on. And Sergio, to the dollar, his team and the True Grit were 100% accurate with that.
True Grit was able to come out same day, take a look, and start and finish the work all in one day.
Honestly, the great benefits were they were honest, they showed up, his crew was here, they did the work, and I'm very happy.
Well, I'd say they got it done in one day's time. They cleaned everything up very nicely. They sealed the corners on my gutters that were leaking.
They were completely professional. They were awesome. Like I said, most companies can't really come out same day, but True Grit made it happen. Their guys were fast. They did a great job. You can't even tell that the roof has even ever had a hole in it.
I think doing everything they said they were going to do, obviously finishing it. I got more than enough pictures of the before and afters, but it was they came in uniform and really just solved our problem and did it in a quick manner and did everything that Sergio said was going to happen.
Sergio's thoroughness from the beginning was a huge sell for me and what made me ultimately go with True Grit. From there, Sergio gave me a really timely estimate on when they would be out here, around 2.5 weeks. He showed up just like promised. He said 7 a.m. They were here 7 a.m. on the dot. They delivered exactly what they sold me.
Really cooled the upper house down by having the light colored roof on there, and the quality of the installers were really nice. Everything ended up really clean afterwards.
They took care of any necessary permits at that time, and we were just really pleased with how the project turned out.
I think overall value, but the price was fair. The service was awesome. The education. I just felt like I trusted Sergio and his team, and they performed extremely well.
Sergio and his team were just awesome, and I'm so thankful for them and for everything they're doing.
They were complete. Everything they did was complete. It was professional, and it was done in a professional manner.
Sergio was here, checking over everything, make sure his team was delivering everything that they had promised to do and everything that we discussed, and he gave me a quote, and he was spot on.
They're cleaning everything up as they go along, which has been just great.
They not only fixed everything that they said they were going to do, but they cleaned it up and looked at another few spots that I had some concerns with. So again, went above and beyond.
Really satisfied with their work and can highly recommend True Grit if you're looking for a roofer.
Oh, yes, I would. Yeah, they're very good people to work with and easy to work with, so I would recommend them in a heartbeat.
The biggest thing that made me go with them over other sellers was just Sergio's thoroughness and attention to detail. I knew from everything that we had gone over on the first day that I met him that he was going to be incredibly thorough and accountable.
I would recommend them for any of your outdoor construction, roofing needs, because they were very trustworthy, honest, and like I said, very communicative.
Really happy with True Grit, would go with them again and recommend them highly.
So I would 100% recommend Sergio and True Grit and his team for any roofing needs. I know if I ever need another roof at my next house, I'll 100% give them a call.
If you want it done right and you don't want to worry about it, call True Grit.
And so I just want to say thank you to True Grit, and they're wonderful, and then you should use them for your roofing needs.